DMX stands for Digital Multiplex Interface and is the protocol used to create large custom lighting scenes and effects. DMX gives you the most precise control of your LED lighting and allows you to create custom scenes for something as simple as turning on your home's lights at a certain time and brightness setting to something such as designing a professional pixel board. It is sometimes called DMX 512 since it can control up to 512 addresses within one lighting universe. Each address is essentially one channel of data that you can control and customize. When working with DMX, you can control a multitude of DMX lighting fixtures, such as our compatible monochrome and RGB strip lights and our Pixel Pro and Direct DMX line, both of which allow you to manipulate each pixel independently. One thing to note is that different lights can require a different number of addresses. For example, controlling one reel of monochrome LED strip light only requires one address, since the entire strip can use the same channel of data in order to function, whereas RGB strip requires 3 addresses, since each LED needs 3 data channels for its red, green, and blue diodes to change colors. And a strip of RGB Pixel Pro requires 3 addresses for every LED, since each LED or pixel needs its own data stream in order to operate independently. Choosing a controller for your DMX lights is an essential decision that will ultimately affect the type of lighting installation that you can support. For that reason, it is usually a good idea to determine what kind of lighting setup you'd like to create and how many channels you'll be using before selecting a controller. In general, to configure a simple DMX installation, you need DMX software, a DMX controller, and a decoder, which is connected to the lights. However, if you want to create custom DMX scenes without the need for software, there are simple plug-and-play DMX controllers, such as the Traxon Light Drive, which will allow you to customize up to 2 independent zones. If your lighting installation requires more precision, you will need a controller that uses software to create specific scenes to suit your needs. Controllers such as the Stick 2 and the Slisa come bundled with software that allows you to program custom scenes easily and then save them to the controller for use in standalone mode. When working with a large-scale DMX lighting installation with multiple universes, you will need a robust controller that can handle such a setup. Madrix offers the hardware and software solutions needed to create and control incredible effects. When paired with our RGB Pixel Pro LEDs, you can design eye-catching custom digital displays, which can even stream video. While we feature the Madrix Plexus on our website, Environmental Lights is an authorized Madrix dealer and can provide Madrix solutions for DMX installations of any size. Working with DMX might sound intimidating, but if you want complete control over your lighting, DMX is an absolute must. All of our sales engineers are experts when it comes to DMX lighting design and are happy to assist you in making your lighting vision a reality. If you have any questions regarding DMX lighting, please give us a call at 888-880-1880.